Hey guys, really fast, we're going to go over something that we're going to try to install today. We call this play or offense four out. Okay, the reason it's four out is because we have one, two, three, four. Okay, guys out, and we have one guy in the center. Okay, so what's going to happen here? You're going to see that these two power forwards and the power forward, sorry, and center always need to be opposite of each other. Okay, meaning if this power forward is up top here, that means this center is down at the block here, sealing and calling for the basketball. Now, if the center goes up here, then this power forward has to go here. So that's the concept for our big guys. Those are the rules, as we say. Okay? So you're going to see here, the ball is going to be passed, and obviously the animation's a little bit off, but the ball is going to be passed because the center is going to pop up and this power forward is going to cut down. Now, center, you don't want to dribble the basketball here. You want to catch and you want to look. This guard that passed is just going to replace or screen over here for this guard, okay? That guard is going to come up to here, okay? And that guard is going to take the place of the guard that he was screening for, okay? The small forward is just going to remain in the corner here. Okay, the center's going to get the ball, and then he's going to pass it to this immediate guard. He can pass here, and it's still the same concept, right? The power forward would then pop up, the center would go down, and then now, because he passed to the corner, this small forward could penetrate here, be aggressive, or come up to the ball here and replace, okay? In this scenario, the center passes to this guard. The center's then going to cut hard to the block, and now you'll notice that this power forward is going to come back up to this wing area. Okay, now on this second time around, we want to set a ball screen here. Okay, it's not a traditional pick and roll, so the concepts are a little bit different. He's going to screen, and the power forward is going to roll hard down to his block. The guard can get down into here, be aggressive, shoot, get a dynamic move, whatever he would like, but we're trying to penetrate and kick the basketball. Okay, so they pick, the guard stays where he is, there's nothing there, he couldn't drive, he's going to rotate the ball here. Okay, now we have to rotate. You never, if you're in the guard position, you never want to stand still. If you're a guard or small forward, you never want to stay still. Okay, you're going to be rotating and switching positions or rotating up depending on where the basketball goes. Remember, because the power forwards and the centers are always either at the block or up high, okay? You're just going to fill a hole that's open. If you pass, you're going to screen away. So the shooting guard passes to the center again. He screens away. The point guard comes up. Now, you'll see this time the center passes it to the corner here. He's still going to do the same exact thing. He's going to cut back down to the block. The small forward is going to try to attack, penetrate, and then we're going to see a kick out here. Okay, penetrate, kick out here, and then now what should be happening? This power forward should be coming up because the center went down, power forward's coming up. It's going to be a pick. And remember, it's not pick and roll, it's pick. The guard can get down into this area and be aggressive. However, it's not a traditional roll or pick and roll. This power forward is rolling and going down to the block. Now he penetrates, and let's say the guard passes to the shooting guard now. The small forward is just going to replace the point guard. The center, the power forward went down, so the center is now coming up. We have a ball screen here, okay? Ball screen, same concept now. It's not a pick and roll. It's just a pick. The center is still rolling. The small forward is looking for penetration and kick. Okay, penetration and kick, and then he's replacing or screening the other guard, okay? The center's down, so who should be coming up next? The power forward. Okay, and again, this is a pick. Okay, power forward rolls back down. Shooting guard's aggressive, looking for a penetration and kick. And that's what we get there, okay? One last thing. We need to make sure we're being aggressive on the sides here with penetrating in the tops if you're a guard, but also don't be afraid to shoot the basketball.